you're in discussion with someone, you want to prove your point, even at work or with your friends, you really believe in something, you want it done, and at some point someone would say, oh, you are a narcissistic, or you have this kind of behavior, or someone is complaining about something, oh, you are a paranoid. Now that this vocabulary is pretty commonplace, a lot of people are using these words pretty casually. So the differentiating between just a one-time thing or a personality disorder has become hard, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And again, there's difference between having personality traits versus having an actual personality disorder, right? We all have traits. So
Yeah.
you're going to have a little bit of narcissism, you're going to have a little bit of this and that. Is it actually a narcissistic personality disorder? Not necessarily. One of the other issues is our social media, right? We have so many people talking about mental health that are not mental health experts. And so I've had so many people come to me asking, oh, do I have autism? Am I on the spectrum? And it's just like, no, you don't. Like doing the entire, I was like, okay, let's do the evaluation and kind of see. And they don't. But if you want, you can get diagnosed with any disorder, right? So that's like where you want to be careful with these buzzwords because they get thrown around a lot, but that doesn't necessarily mean you have a disorder, right?
Yeah. If you get labeled, it gives you an excuse too, right? So I did this, but I got this personality disorder. So
Yeah,
you want to get
absolutely.
away from the responsibility that you have to take for your own actions. Oh, I can't help it. I just got this. I saw the psychiatrist. And then when
Yeah.
she said that this is my diagnosis, right?
Yeah, absolutely. People are using it as an excuse. And that's another thing I've said that you can't like write off your bad behavior and throw it on to a mental health disorder because
Yeah. Yeah.
that's not an excuse.